What's up, KMS? I'm Liana A, and today we're going to be interviewing people about what's their favorite thing to bake / cook on Christmas.
Cookies.
What is your favorite part of making that?
Eating it.
What is your favorite thing to cook / bake for Christmas?
Peanut butter cookies.
And what is your favorite part about doing that?
So I can eat them. Cookies.
And what is your favorite part about doing that?
Eating. Cookies.
What is your favorite part about making that?
I hope Sensei bring some gifts.
Cookies.
What is your favorite part about making that?
The family time of making the cookies with family.
Brownies or cookies.
What's your favorite part about doing that?
Making them.
My favorite thing to cook / bake on Christmas is probably tamales or cookies. Well, that's all for now. Bye, KMS. Oh, bye. You didn't do the countdown.
I did.
No, I didn't see. Why do you like to make that?
For Santa.
Oh wait, no, I said why. I can't do why.
Wait, no.
Bake / cook on.
They're good.
Wait, no, I messed up. I said my favorite thing to / oh my gosh. We have to / cook / bake on.